Alright, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy any cryptocurrency the easiest way possible. First, you want to go to Coinbase.com. Then you want to hit the buy and sell tab. You click on Litecoin, and then choose your payment method. I've already added my credit card, and I'm not going to show you that for obvious reasons. So then you want to type in how much you want to spend on Litecoin. I just typed in $200 for the example, so I got 0.54 of a Litecoin. You can see over here that I'm getting charged a $767 fee. So in total, I've spent $200, but I'm actually only getting $192 worth of Litecoin. So I'm not actually going to purchase this Litecoin. This is just an example. I already actually have Litecoin in my wallet that I'm going to show you me transferring. So you want to head over to the accounts page. You want to scroll down to your Litecoin wallet. So I have 0.70 of a Litecoin in my wallet right now. You want to click the send button. We're just going to leave this here for a second, and we want to head over to Bitfinex.com. Once again, you need no verification. You just need to create a simple account. So as you can see, I'm already signed into an account. I'm not going to show you how to sign up. It's super easy. No verification, no bank information, nothing. So then you want to head over and click deposit. So we're depositing Litecoin. You want to click on Litecoin. So on this page, you're going to have your exchange wallet, your margin wallet, and your funding wallet. You're actually going to have to press the click to generate address button on the exchange wallet part. So you do that, and then you copy it, and then you head over back to Coinbase. So where it says enter a Litecoin address, you want to paste that. So you can see the check mark, you're good to go, it's valid. Okay, so for the amount, you can either select an exact amount of US dollars or an exact amount of Litecoin. I'm going to click the use max Litecoin because I want to send all my Litecoin over to my exchange. So you can see that I'm sending 0.70 over. And the reason I'm using Litecoin is because look at the charge of Litecoin when you send money over. It's 6 cents compared to Bitcoin, which is like 20 bucks. So that's why I'm using Litecoin. Litecoin's good. So you want to hit continue, and then it's actually going to ask you for a little verification, and all it is going to send numbers to your phone, and you just have to type that in. So I'm just going to cut to when it's sent. All right, so our Litecoin is on its way, and now we're done with Coinbase. We don't need Coinbase anymore. So we're going to head back over to Bitfinex. So Litecoin usually takes like 30 minutes to send, but I already have Litecoin on my account, so I'm just going to show you what to do when it's in your account. So look, I have 0.62 of Litecoin in my exchange account. For the example, I would have had 0.70, but like I said, it takes 30 minutes. So you're going to want to click on tickers, and you want to click on Litecoin. So you want to click on Litecoin USD because now we're looking to sell our Litecoin so we have cash to buy other currencies. You're going to want to do a limit order sell. You don't want to do a market order sell. You can search that up. I'm not going to explain that. So you want to click calculate max sell amount because we want to sell all of our Litecoin we just transferred so we can buy other cryptocurrencies. You're going to want to set the price USD of what Litecoin is going at right now. If you scroll up, you can see what Litecoin's going at right now, and that will ensure that it sells right away. So after your thing sells and your balance is under exchange, you're now going to have USD cash in your account because we just sold our Litecoin. So you can scroll down through tickers and you can look at all the other currencies you can now buy. For this video, I'm actually going to click on Ripple and click the USD. So right now it's going for 264, but with my limit order, I could set that to 263. So as soon as it hits 263, it will buy it for me. So for amount XRP, I can click calculate max buy, which would use all US cash I have and give me as much Ripple as I can get for 263 a piece. Or I could just type in, say, I want 45 Ripple, which would cost me $118 total. And then I would click exchange buy, and I'd wait, and then my order would process, and then now I would have Ripple in my account, and then I would just hold, and I could sell it whenever I want. Thank you for watching. That's it. Peace.